Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Crazy Manina. Today guys, we are here in Tubigon. So that one I want to going to Cebu because last night I got a call from the doctor because the doctor told me that he need a laboratory test because that before expire guys, so we need to renew. So that's why we are here in Tagbilar, in Tubigon. But there in Hitapi, we don't have guys. Cancel that when the flight there. So that's why we are here in Tubigon. So a lot of people here, guys. So it's far away from Talibon, guys. And so here, so you can see guys, a lot of people to line up here to buying a ticket guys, so you can see. I'm crazy guys, but you know we have a typhoon Christine, so a lot a big wind, so maybe the ocean there is a big waves also, so we will see guys. So because they always cancel, so you can see.
Wow, boy.
That one guys, a lot of people there. So that one fast cut into the Cebu. That one for schedule guys. So we are here, a lot of people, and we have so there. So a lot also. That one for the night 10 o'clock because 4 o'clock is already closed. So hopefully 5:30 I can buy the ticket guys. Also because that one I need to go in Cebu, important. So let's guys. Look guys, a lot of seal. A lot seal here. We have beautiful girl there. Look guys, we have a beautiful sales lady of Calamine. So look guys, a lot of people guys. So now guys, I finished the buying ticket. So I need to find something, a fruit. I'm so hungry. Just fruit that I eat. Yeah, so now we are here in the market and Tubigon guys. And so now guys, we are close. The tailor. Very close. Okay. I'm looking here. I need to buy something fruit guys. Just fruit. I'm looking. Oh, a lot of banana. Where is it? Look guys. We have a lot. That one the first time. Right bicycle guys, going to the ship. So just Yalan. I'm so hungry. I'm done to buy fruit. So look guys. Very strong. Waving. We are here at the port guys of Tubigon. boarding, guys. The ferry outside. Now guys, we're going to ferry. So the time is 7 o'clock. You always cancel, guys, because of the typhoon. A lot of passengers.